Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify store to YouTube channel. So to connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel and to product through YouTube shopping, you will need first to meet the requirements. Okay, so you generally need a Shopify store with products published, a YouTube channel linked to a Google account, compliance with YouTube shopping and merchant policies, and an approved merchant account through Google's shopping ecosystem. So, if you hit the requirements, you will need then to install the Google and YouTube app in Shopify. So, at first, just go ahead and log in to your Shopify admin and then just go to the settings at the bottom left here on the left hand menu, and then just go with the apps right here. Go with the Shopify app store here, so you will get forwarded into the Shopify app store, and click on the search bar that you can find at the top middle of the website. So right now just look for the official Google and YouTube apps for Shopify. Okay, so for example, Google and YouTube. So if you can find them both, that will be great. Right, so that's Google and YouTube, and go with install from here. And now just go ahead with install to confirm the installation. Right, so right here at the bottom right of that square, and then just connect your Google account and then stay on the app after connection. Okay, so now you'll need to set up your YouTube shopping. Okay, so inside the Google and YouTube app, just go ahead and go with create a Google Merchant Center account, and then follow the steps, right? And that way they will lead you to select the YouTube shopping, and then just connect your YouTube channel and choose which products you want to sync and submit for review if required. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.